Welcome to my new tutorial. If you've ever wanted to use Pinterest without annoying sounds or simply want to reduce distractions while searching for inspiration, we have the solution for you. In this step-by-step guide, I'll teach you how to turn off app sounds on Pinterest, allowing you to have a quiet and focused browsing experience. Whether you use Pinterest on your phone or tablet, the process is simple and quick. Ready to get started? Let's go. First, open the Pinterest app and log into your account if you haven't already. Then, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on your profile again in the top left corner of the screen. In the menu, select the Account Management option. Finally, to turn off app sounds on Pinterest, simply toggle the switch next to the App Sounds option, and that's it. Once the switch is turned off, the app sounds will be deactivated. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon.